Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your last love bite of the month. Let's see what your energies are, if there's anything that you need to know now, Capricorn. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Capricorn, as always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card and see how our angels are going to bless this reading. And if there's anything, any message or blessing for you here, I'm sure there is. Let's see what it is. So, okay, here it is. Well, Capricorn, this one is for you. Let's put the rest back. So the card I have for you, Capricorn, is rest. You need some sleep here, right? I don't know why this card is here, and maybe you have to step away from a situation and take a step back and not get involved, or maybe genuinely you are, tired and you need some rest in your life. Let's see why that is, Spirit. Why does Capricorn need rest and sleep right now? Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of the Omkara family. Thank you for all the support that you give to the channel. I'm very blessed to have you all here once again today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you. So Cappies, as this is just a love bite. It's going to be a small 9-card spread to check your energies, and we will take a couple of cards to get advice as well if required. But if any of you need a private reading, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. Yes, Capricorn, from what I see, the star is in reverse. Maybe you are in need of some healing right now. Let's see. 5 of Wands. And the Devil. Yes, I think you've just gotten over some kind of conflict and you've released something really toxic from your life. But they're both in reverse, so it doesn't, not to worry, okay? Yes, you're not very happy right now. You feel your wishes haven't come true. Yes, you have, dropped the fight now. You are releasing this toxicity, but you're not in the happiest place from what I see. There is still a little bit of fear of letting go. You don't know how to move forward, what decision to make. Maybe this person who was in your life was a bit of a player, and all you have is stress and worry right now, and you're not sure whether you want to work with this individual again, and it's giving you a lot of stress and worry, Capricorn. Here you are, okay? No wonder the sleep card is here. You really need a lot of healing if you've been dealing with this character. You have let it go, you are trying to let it go, but there is that fear of letting go, which is not allowing you to move ahead in your life. So let's start taking clarifiers. 5 of Wands, Spirit. Why is the 5 of Wands here? Yes, whoever this person was, Capricorn, in your life was not a very grounded individual. This person never brought balance and security into your life and always kept you a bit stressed out here. Always being up in your head, worrying, thinking, and yes, you are kind of trying to get over the situation now, over this fear, anxiety, stress. This could have been a relationship, a long-term partnership, marriage, something which is not working out here, Capricorn. And you are trying to release it the best that you can at the moment. There is a decision to be made here. Keep the past, move forward, or stay with the past and stop yourself. There's a huge decision which is on hand right now, Capricorn. You're very capable, by the way. You're very beautiful, very capable. You have the capability of being very grounded, very, very secure in your own life. Now look at the difference. It's an equal pair, but there's a disparity here. The King of Pentacles is in reverse. The Queen of Pentacles is upright. So it can't be one person taking on all the responsibility to ground a relationship. And because I think you have been in that place, it's given you a lot of stress and worry. It's never given you the emotional satisfaction that one seeks from a relationship. So, Nine of Cups, Spirit. Nine of Cups. One second. Too many cards. One card, Spirit, for the Nine of Cups. One more. You're not very happy right now, Capricorn, because you still kind of admire this person. You think they have a lot of potential, they're a go-getter. But to cut off from this person also gives you sadness. You feel, this is bad luck, or things will not ever move again in my life. So there's a bit of back and forth energy here where you're not sure whether you want to move ahead with this person or you want to stop it. You feel luck is not on your side right now. So that's the reason that you're not moving ahead and you're having a little bit of fears. Yes, on one hand, you do want to move ahead, take a fresh leap of faith, go have your freedom, move ahead. But on the other hand, this is, it emotionally overwhelms you to leave this person as well. You feel there are a lot of secrets here, maybe, or sometimes you feel maybe you don't know, you have no clarity in your head whether I should move ahead or should I hold on. That's the reason the Chariot is in reverse as well. Yes, as much as you want to take charge and control of your life and move forward and leave all these troubled times, in the past, this person keeps you a bit stuck. Maybe it's a passionate relationship. Maybe you genuinely love this person through all their faults and all the immaturity and all their bad behavior. Even though sometimes it's time to put this to a total end, you still end up saying, I'll fight for him or her one more time. Let me see, maybe things will improve, But you do know that this person is immature and this person is not very grounded, doesn't bring any security to you. Even though it should be ended, your love for this person, I think, makes you fight for this relationship one more time. Right now, I think there's no motivation. You don't know what to do. So sometimes you feel that you want a resurrection of this relationship, you want a return. Sometimes you feel, no, the whole reading is about that, you being an indecision whether to move ahead or not. And yes, there is a lot of headache, stress, not sleeping, not feeling your best, not feeling that Empress, that fertility, growth, abundance. You're really not in your element right now because of the stress and worry. I think, Capricorn, what Spirit is trying to say, you're not allowing yourself to heal right now. Yes, you, heart of hearts, know that you have to, release this devil energy. It's come in twice now. I had it here and I have it here. So whatever fear, anxiety, worry, stress that you have, Capricorn, you have to release it. And for that, yes, you may require, to go into your healing and maybe, yes, get some sleep and get some rest. Overthinking the situation is not going to allow you to grow. Empress in reverse is something that's stuck. There is no more forward movement. There's no ability to, create anymore. Why? Because you're always in your head all the time. And it's because of this person. So Empress in reverse, Spirit. Because your full focus right now is on this person. You keep watching this person, keep looking for clues. Maybe you're seeing tarot readings, about this person and seeing what are they up to. Will they come back? Do they love me? Do they not love me? And because all your focus 24/7 is on spying on this person, you are not being able to move forward in your own life right now. Yes, it's time now to not be in regret for the things that haven't worked out in the past. It's now to turn around and not look back. Look at this person looking at the past, looking in regret and sorrow of things which didn't work out. So Spirit is saying, now you have to turn around and look behind you. There is happiness. If you, leave this past energy and move ahead to something which will actually give you happiness. Yeah, this I think at the moment at least, Taurus, you need to. Sorry, Capricorn. You right now you need to really slow this down. Slow your mind down. I think. Put a halt. Put a stagnation to this of this feeling of feeling abandoned and left out in the cold all the time by this person, because this will put you in the mentality of lack. You have a lot of potential. You are this. You are not the person who's ungrounded. And the more you're going to think of how somebody played you is going to stop your ability to grow. Okay? So be a bit mindful of that, Capricorn. Let's take 3 cards of advice for you. Advice for my Capricorn spirit. Advice for my Capricorn. Yes, Capricorn, you do have love for this person. Yes, you feel a lot of love for this person, but please be mindful that they are coming across as the Emperor in reverse. Sorry, Emperor in reverse, and there is a Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So this is very ungrounded, unbalanced energy. You need to now pick yourself up and move forward and create something victorious for yourself. You have to take back your power and first take care of yourself. Be victorious in your own life. Yes, you love the person. Maybe they love you too, but sometimes love is not enough, Capricorn. This is somebody who likes to control a relationship, and because they are not very strong, even though they try and pretend to be, this leaves you feeling weak, okay, and ungrounded, and you can't move ahead in your own life. I think the advice here is to pick yourself up, pick up your wand. You are fabulous, okay? You have the capability, capacity to move ahead and be victorious for yourself first, okay? This person has to maybe catch up with you. They're not ready yet. So instead of them pulling you back, you move ahead and maybe they can catch up and come to your level, all right? So right now, Capricorn, just take this weekend off, maybe rest it out, heal yourself, and then make a clear decision for what is the best for your life. All right? So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Take care. Love and light. Namaste. See you soon.